Your DJI Pocket camera might be recording great videos, but if you don't know how to transfer the files, you can't edit or share them easily. Most users struggle with moving files at first and waste time trying different methods. But in this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your DJI Pocket 3, 2, or 1. So let's get it done right now. Method 1. Wireless transfer. First, turn on your DJI Osmo camera. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Make sure your Osmo Pocket 3 is connected to the DJI Mimo app. Now tap on the Album tab in the DJI Mimo app. From here, you can download the recorded files. Instead of ejecting SD card is really annoying. So, select or tap on the file you want to download, then tap on Download icon in the top right corner. Files can be downloaded directly to your phone or tablets. Method 2. Wired transfer. Get a USB-C to USB-C cable. Now plug the cable into the Pocket 3 and the charging port of your phone. Then turn on your Pocket. Now tap on File Transfer USB/OTG from the camera. Then grab your phone. Sometimes the USB-C port detects an issue, especially Samsung. In that case, you can follow my first method. But here, I'm using my Xiaomi phone. So now, grab your phone, find the Files app, tap on it, now tap Browse from below. Then tap USB device. Now tap on DSIM folder. Then tap on DJI folder. Here you'll find all of your files. Now select your file that you want to transfer. Then copy your file and paste in your phone's external storage. Method 3. Transfer with micro SD card. Power off your DJI camera, then eject the micro SD card. Now insert it into a card reader and plug the reader into your computer. Then open the drive for the SD card. Go to the DSIM folder, then open the DJI folder, and copy all the files you need. And this is the easiest method if you record lots of footage and want maximum speed to transfer files. And that's it. These are the best ways to transfer videos from your DJI Osmo Pocket camera to any device. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.